Hi guys, let's start. Okay, so this diagram points B and C line to line AD such that AB is equal to 2, BC is equal to 3, and this is equal to 4. EB is parallel to this, which is parallel to this. So it means that this angle is the same as this angle is the same as this angle. And AE is equal to 1. BF is equal to 2, and CG is equal to 3. What is this construction? 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. If sine of D plus sine of E plus sine of F plus sine of G are all equal to 1, then sine of E is A over B. A and B are positive integers with no perfect square factors greater than 1. Okay. So sine D plus sine E plus sine F plus sine G. Okay. So let's write this out in terms of the sides we know. Sine D, so, oh wait, no, this is the weird sign. Never mind. We'd need the height of this, the height of this, the height of this. We know that sine of D over 3 is equal to sine of E, or sine of G, sorry, over 4. So 4/3 sine of D is equal to sine of G. So we can plug that in here. What else do we know? We know A is equal to B squared plus A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2A minus 2 BC cosine of A. Okay. So do we know any two of the side lengths in the cosine of an angle? I don't know the sine of an angle. I don't know. Ooh, maybe we could use the parallel, because then these create transversals. So this is equivalent to this. Let me zoom in. You know that this is equivalent to this. And this equivalent to this. So we can see 180 is equal to this plus this plus this. Hmm. We continue this line, and we can see that we can't see anything. Hmm. We know none of these angles. Well then, let's find one of them. Alright, none of these cosine sine values. Well, if we look at this one, we don't know the base, but we know the angle here is the same. Just how do we get the angle here? Or the sine cosine value? The sine cosine value, we need a right angle. For a right angle, we can have, we make it like this, do something like that. Because then we could say that this is this minus 90 minus this. We don't know this nor this, because we don't know this angle here. What if I were to draw a line down? No, I can't do that. We really don't know. I spent some time on this. I think it's sufficient amount of time to look at the answer. I'm gonna look now. Okay, so what they did is, they I started what they did. But they first recognized that all these were equal, which is correct. Or sorry, all these were equal, which I got. So all their sine values are equal. So, yeah. So sine of b over 1 is equal to sine of sine of b over 1, which is the same as sine of d over 2. Then we just continue it for this one, so sine d over 2 is equal to sine f over 3, sine d over 3 is equal to sine g over 4. Solve for sine of d, set them equal to each other. So sine d is equal to sine e over 2 is equal to sine 2 sine f over 3. Is equal to 3 sine 4 through 4 sine g. Then we just solve for e's in terms of g, plug them in terms of e. Yeah, just solve for e in each of these, plug it in here, and then since we just rearrange solving for e by simplification, and that gives you the answer. So I did not get the correct answer, but I was not close at all either. No, actually, I got one part, but I didn't realize you could extend that. But thank you for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.